Hello everyone. Today we are going to derive RMS and average value for bridge rectifier. For answer, you can go through the notes. So basically, I'll just tell you what is a bridge rectifier. It will consist of 4 diodes. So in this case, we are going to find the average and RMS value. So first we'll find average or DC value. Average or DC value. So how to find that? So basically, what we'll do is we have to find VDC or IDC. So let me just write VDC is equals to 1 by 1 by T integration 0 to T V naught of T dt. We know that what is V naught of T? Vm sine omega T, right? So 1 by 2 pi integration 0 to 2 pi. Total time period is 2 pi. So V of T can be written as Vm sine omega T dt, right? So what will we get? So we get, take Vm outside, Vm by 2 pi. So apply integration. Integration sine omega t is minus cos omega t into internal differentiation of omega. That I will write it as d of omega t. Apply upper limit and lower limit. So what you will get? You will get Vm by 2 pi. Oh, sorry. This is a full wave rectifier, right? So time period would be only pi in this case, not 2 pi. Got it? So minus cos omega t, minus cos, apply upper limit and lower limit. Minus of minus cos 0, right? So you'll get Vm by pi. Cos 180 is minus 1. So you'll get minus of minus 1, minus of minus 1. So you'll get 2 Vm by pi. What is this value you got? VDC is equals to 2 Vm by pi. Similarly, I can write IDC will be 2 Im by pi. So this was my average value or DC value. Now what we are going to do, we are going to find RMS value. RMS value is nothing but called as AC value, RMS value. So how will you find RMS value? In order to find RMS value, what you need to do is VRMS is equals to under root VM, what you will get? You will get 1 by T integration 0 to T I of T dt. V of T, we are finding V. So time period in this in full wave rectifier is 1 by pi integration 0 to pi, and this will be V square T Vm square T dt. In RMS value, we'll just square this. So you will get Vm square sine square omega T dt, right? So that implies under root 1 by pi, Vm square will be written outside, and sine square theta can be written as sine square omega t can be written as 1 minus cos 2 omega t by 2. Right. So integrate under root Vm square by this 2 I'll write outside 2 pi. This is integration 0 to pi. So what you are left out with 0 to pi 1 minus cos 2 omega t dt, no? Right. So you're left out with this. So you'll get under root Vm square by 2 pi. Integration 1 into dt is t minus integration cos 2 omega t is sine 2 omega t by 2, no? Into internal differentiation. So 0 to pi. Now what you do, just apply upper limit and lower limit. So that would be Vm square by 2 pi into apply upper limit and lower limit, right? So it would be pi minus, in the place of t, you write down pi, sine 2 pi by 2, right? As lower limit. It would be 0. 0 minus sine 2 into 0 by 2. So it would be 0. So let me just not take that. So under root Vm square by 2 pi. This would be pi minus sine 2 pi by 2 is 0. So you will get under root Vm square by this pi gets cancelled. So this root and this gets cancelled. You get Vm by root 2. So what did you get? Vrms is equal to Vm by root 2. So we have found average value. We also found RMS value. Now the next step is to find efficiency. So what is the formula for efficiency? Efficiency. Efficiency is equals to output by input. See, initially, we are for this rectifiers, we are giving AC as the input. So output is DC. So PDC, output by input, PDC by PAC. What is the formula for power? Power P is equals to V into I. And according to Ohm's law, what is I? I is V by R. No? So I can write V square by R. So here, first let me find PDC. So what is the formula? V Vm square by RL. No? Vm square by RL. So what did I get? Vm square, or I'll write, let it be VDC on. Let it be VDC square. VDC, I think I got as 2 Im by pi. No? 2 Im by pi. Let me just quickly substitute it. So it would be 2 Im I got, see here, I got 2 Vm by pi because we are writing voltage, no? So 2 Vm by pi, 2 Vm by pi whole square divided by Rm. So it would be, I think, what it will be? 4 Vm square by pi square divided by Rm. Now, similarly, I have to find PAC. So, what is PAC? Again, same. Power P is V into I is V by R. So, I'll get V square by R. So, it would be VRMS square by RL. So, what you will get? VRMS just now we got. I think we got it as Vm by root 2. So, Vm by root 2 whole square divided by Rm. This I can simplify and write Vm square by 2. This RL will come up and it will become into RL. Let me just do P efficiency is equals to PDC by PAC. So what you'll get, PDC I got as 4 Vm square by pi square into this RL I'll bring in the numerator, RL divided by AC. So you'll get Vm square divided by 2 into RL. RL gets cancelled. Vm square gets cancelled. So this 2 will go up. So it will become 8 by pi square. So efficiency is equals to, if you do 8 by pi square, you will get the value as, I think it's 80. Efficiency is equals to 0.80. If I want percentage efficiency, just multiply into 100. So it will be 80% for bridge rectifier, nothing but full wave rectifier. Next is very important. You have to find the ripple factor. So how will you find ripple factor? What do you mean by ripple factor? Ripple factor means whatever AC component I'm getting. Okay, whatever DC component I'm getting, DC output I'm getting. Okay, I have to remove AC from that DC. I have to remove AC from the output. Which output? DC output. So it is denoted as gamma. Gamma is equal to, the formula is P RMS square minus VDC square under root divided by VDC. It's the formula. So if I take VDC common, what will I get in the numerator? I would get VRMS by VDC, right, whole square minus 1 divided by VDC. So VDC gets cancelled. I'm left out with VRMS by VDC. What is VRMS? If you see, we got uh, Vm by root 2 whole square under root minus 1 divided by VDC. I think I got as 2 Vm by pi. You can go up and check. Okay, this is square. Now, do one thing. Just take this. This one, this one, like this you have actually. So Vm gets cancelled. 2 cameras root 2 root 2. So you'll get under root pi square by 8. Okay. Pi square by 8 and I think you'll get minus 1 will be as it is, no? So if you do, you'll get 48.2% or something. So you'll get 0.482. You'll get 0. Gamma, that is ripple factor, is equals to 0.482. So in this, it's important. What is a rectifier? If this questions may come. What is a rectifier? And you have to derive all this when it is asked. Thank you.